Dear students, I welcome you to Career Tutorial. Today we read about numbers, how singular number is changed into plural number. Boy, boys, cat, cats, girl, girls. But I am writing four nouns. These are box, boxes, fox, foxes, cocks, coxes, ox. What will be ox in a plural number? Ox can't be changed into oxen. Ox can't be changed into oxes. That will be oxen. Likewise, man, man, woman, woman, child, children. We change the noun into plural. Consonant before Y. The last letter is Y and consonant letter before Y. Bodies, ladies, duties. The last letter Y. But before Y, consonant B, D, D, T. So the nouns can be changed by with IES replacing Y. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, mouse, mice, louse, lice. These nouns are changed into in this form. They are regular. They can't be changed in any form. Calves, halves, wives, leaves, shapes. The nouns that ends f or fe that is changed into plural. This type in this type ves replaces f or fe. Duties ies replaces y because y comes after consonant letter t. So y is replaced and I is added in its plural form. But monkeys, donkeys. The word ends with y, but y is after e. Is vowel letter, so y can't be replaced. Y can't be replaced in its plural form. So only s is added. Monkeys, donkeys, only s is added. Dates, dates, y, vowel. So in its plural form, only s is added. This is the singular form to plural form. O and double O. tomato ends only single o. So its plural form is tomatoes. Es added. Potato ends with o and its before letter is consonant. So its plural form is potatoes. So es added. And bamboo ends with double o. So its plural form is added with s. We have to know single o and its before letter is consonant. Then we have to add es in singular plural and double o is added only s to change its number.